So we happen to be stranded on this platform. Like, water comes from down there, comes from over there, comes from down there. Like, we are stuck. And blowing things over too. And the platform is flooded. Yep. The only dry spots are in there and upstairs. Welcome to Florida. This happens every day. We were planning on going to Winston, but we wouldn't be able to see anything. So we're kind of stuck here. So this goes away. We were just in a freaking accident, and that's the only damage that seems to happen. We were on our way to Winston, and all of a sudden, yep, we are in a car accident. That's just great. It's been the most unlucky day in the world. First all this rain, and now we are probably going to be here for another 20 minutes. So that's just great. Yeah, that was weird. She hit us pretty hard, and that didn't do really any damage. Kind of hurt. That kind of hurt me inside, because everything just dropped. So yeah, that's just great. It's the most unlucky day ever. On our way to Winston, there's traffic, car accident, rain shots, and I'm soaked. Barely did any damage. It felt like just everything dropped. Like you went like down on a roller coaster, and we just pulled into this like truck facility. It's raining out. And we're probably going to be here for another, 40 minutes, because apparently someone needs to pay for it. And luckily we're right next to the A line. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that was weird. This is, I guess, my first car accident. And it put a little dent in the front of her car, just barely. It's like this large and just the same size as ours. She hit us really hard. Like, I thought that there was going to be like a massive hole in the back of the car, like the trunk, but apparently there's like nothing wrong, so we should be going in a couple minutes. Also, there's this very annoying noise outside. And I am starving. I've been starving for a while, so. The CSX app. I don't know when the next train is coming. And plus, I'm still very hungry, so what a shock that this day doesn't work out. Because 91 is gone. And all the other trains just won't come for a while. So, I guess, see you guys next time. Hope you guys, can't talk today. I hope you guys will enjoy the next video. I know you guys won't really much enjoy this video that much, but see you guys later. And yeah.